I started ShortCircuit 2026 with nothing more than an idea and a bunch of curiosity. I wasn't a full-time YouTuber. I didn't have a production team. Just one goal: post something every day that makes people say, "No way, that's real." So I built it. One fact, one short, one upload at a time. My secret weapon? I let AI become my team. I used Autoshorts.ai to post daily fun fact videos, hands-free. I wrote viral titles, hooks, and scripts with ChatGPT. I organized everything, from ideas to status, in Notion AI. I designed surreal, scroll-stopping visuals with Leonardo AI. And when I needed to add voiceover and motion, I used VideoGPT. Even tried InVideo for a few weeks. It's good for longer formats, but nothing beats VideoGPT for shorts. Some days the views were 5, some days they were 50,000. I learned the algorithm loves two things: consistency and curiosity. So I kept going. I experimented. Fun facts, creepy facts, history, science, myths. I made shorts about jellyfish that live forever, about wars that lasted 38 minutes, about what would happen if ancient pharaohs had iPhones. Every day I posted. Every week I improved. And the biggest lesson? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to hit upload. If you're starting your own channel, don't wait. The tools are here. The audience is scrolling. Just show up every day and let the facts and the algorithm do the rest. This is just the beginning. Subscribe to our ShortCircuit 2026. Let's blow your mind, one short at a time. As I continued to post daily, the channel began to flourish. Each upload brought not just views, but also a community of curious minds eager to learn and engage. The thumbnails I created became more vibrant and eye-catching, each one designed to pull viewers in and make them click. The feedback was overwhelming, the comments section filled with reactions, questions, and excitement. I realized that every fun fact shared was not just information. It was a connection to an audience hungry for knowledge. The journey was exhilarating, and every view felt like a small victory. The growth was evident in the analytics. An animated graph showed my channel's rise, with sharp spikes indicating those viral moments that caught fire. This was more than just a project. It became a movement. I was not just uploading videos. I was sharing curiosity with the world. And as I kept refining my style and exploring new topics, I found that inspiration flowed endlessly. The secret? Just keep creating, keep learning, and embrace the journey ahead.